2004 Ram 2500. This thing is making a horrid noise, bearing noise coming from the back housing, this overdrive housing. So this whole housing right here unbolts off the back of the transmission. So we got to take this off, find out what bearing is going on in here. We got to take the drive shaft out, cross member's got to come out, and then we'll take this back housing off. So here we go. Down to it. This housing that bolts on here and here and here, and the bolts that go all the way around. Take this plug in off and make sure it's all the way in park so this rod goes forward. And then take them bolts out, see if we can't work this thing off of here. So removing the overdrive housing, this rod goes through up to the shifter, and if it's back too far it won't come out. Other than that, there's a bearing bad in that other part. Somewhere in here there's a bearing that's bad. Oh, you hear that? So taking this apart. Shot. So taking this apart, putting new bearings in it, putting it back on, it's gonna fix this one. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.